Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails just like MrBeast. MrBeast's thumbnails are one of the main reasons his videos get millions of clicks. So if you want to grab attention and boost your views, I've got the tricks you need. Here are the top 4 thumbnail secrets MrBeast uses. First, big, exaggerated facial expressions. Shock, surprise, or excitement. Second, bold, contrasting colors like red, yellow, and blue. This makes his thumbnails pop and easily catches the eye. Third, make the face the centerpiece. We're naturally drawn to human faces, so putting yourself or someone else front and center will grab attention. Finally, use sharp, clear images that look professional. This gives a premium feel to the video, making people more likely to click. To make a MrBeast-style thumbnail, you'll need Google, Remaker.ai, Remove.bg, and Canva. Add bold colors, text, and other elements to create a thumbnail that pops just like MrBeast's.
First, go to Google and search an image of a famous celebrity, which is perfect for your video, and also download a shocking or some kind of expression face dead. Search on Google for Remaker.ai face swap and go to the website. Swap the faces and download. After that, go to Remove.bg and remove the background of that image, and the last step is to go to Canva and finish the project.